skull picker. It's Wednesday night, and I was really just coming up to the lock lab to put some stuff away, kind of clean up from the other day's debacle. Still looking for that damn business card. I did find out that that package wasn't from the future, so now we're back to today. I figured, fuck it, while I'm in here, let me try to pick a lock. So the lock that I grabbed was this. It's a Burg Wachter. It's German. Alutitan. I don't know how you pronounce that kind of guy. You know, kind of like it's aluminum, but you guys call it aluminium. Germans call it something different. I can't pronounce it. Pretty sure it's a Burg Wachter though. Bidding ain't all that cool, but that's good for me. It's a 7750. If I get it open, I will show you that it works well. It's locked up, but I did want to show you this. These are pretty damn cool. So this is an American lock, NFL Patriots padlock. Pretty badass, huh? 1.75" body width, 1.125" well, 45 millimeter body width, 51 shackle clearance, 8 millimeter shackle diameter. Pretty damn cool. I forget. Oh, so this is the Patriots, St. Louis Rams. I am a Rams fan, and I got a St. Louis Rams American lock. Fucking badass. Got the Broncos, and I got the Dolphins. I found these online, and then I talked to the guy and said, what do you got? And he was selling them super cheap because nobody wants them. They are doesn't say what they are. There's the back one side of it. There's the other side of it. Is it a removable core? I haven't even looked. Let me look real quick. Let me show you something. Listen. Ah, gotta love it. Nope, it's a, can you see that? Let me do this, swing. It is a non-removable core, but thanks to the guys at Mr. Lock shit, I can get a new retainer nut, a new screw diggity, and make it a removable core. So, you guys tell me what model this is for me. Probably what, the 5100 maybe? I don't know. But it is going to be a removable core. That's pretty cool though. You know, I mean, that's cool because, you know, the American locks don't all have that type of logo. And then it's got the football ones on there, you know. I'm looking for more. But I do have these to go in my collection. And it's really cool that they have the packaging with it, you know. Really cool that it has the packaging. It doesn't say what model number it is. 5-pin tumbler, steel cover plate, 2 keys provided, cellar breast. Yep. And out of 4, you guys don't even know how happy I am to get the Rams, St. Louis Rams. St. Louis Rams ain't even around anymore. When I was growing up, the Rams came from Los Angeles to St. Louis and won the Super Bowl like 4 out of 5 years with Kurt Warner and Marshall Faulk and them boys. Bruce. And then I moved to Kansas City, you know, and then you got the Chiefs. Now I'm in Los Angeles again. The Rams are back in, you know, Los Angeles. So I kind of think they're following me, but I don't really, you know, we won't talk about that. They're not following me. I'm just fucking with you. But that's just kick-ass. Just kick-ass. Broncos. I love Denver. Dolphins. Don't really give a shit about them. New England Patriots. Them dudes are badass, you know. Super, pretty excited about that, adding that one to my collection. But what we're here for is I'm going to try to open this. And I'm going to try to do it pretty damn quick. Because you know what? I stuck my pick in it and it opened like that. Now that I say that, fucker probably won't open. How did I do it? Oh yeah, because it's in Germany. I think I did it upside down. Well, I won't be able to do it upside down now, will I? We'll see. At first, the damn the bedding on, or the wording on that fucker's pretty tough. Wording on is pretty tough, so let's see what we can do. 1, nothing. 2, how am I going to do this? Trying to let you guys see. Where's the keys? Alright, I'm on them. Alright, where are we at? It really sucks in here with no music. Really sucks in here with no music. I have to learn some songs. Start singing to you guys. Get a little bit of entertainment, you know? Where's it at? I shit you not, I opened this damn thing pretty damn quick. Let's see, I did it with bottom of the keyway. Well, let's do top of the keyway. That's a little bit more comfortable. Can we zoom in there? Let's now, there we go. There we go. All right. One, nothing. 2, a little click. Where's 3? Wording on her is tricky. That's why I'm being somewhat gentle. Where are you at? Where are you at? There you are. Don't forget about my random giveaway from yesterday, Let Luck Tuesday. Just go on there. You have to be a subscriber, though. Gotta be a subscriber, though. You guys have to be a subscriber. I'm not giving this away to just anybody. So if I know who you are, you're in. If I don't know who you are, I'm going to have to verify it. And it has to say hashtag, hashtag Master Lotto. MASTERLOTO. Hashtag Master Lotto. Alright, let me get in here a little bit better. There we go. I can hear him clicking now. Where are you at? Where are you at? Right there. Nothing right there. I'm going to reset. I'm going to try to... Damn it, 8 minutes. I didn't want to do this. I'm going to be 8 minutes long. Four. Five. Go back in there, see what I got. 1. 2. 3. 4. I can feel that we're on a little bit of a false set. 2, 3, nothing. 4, nothing. What's 5 got going on back there? Come on, really? That sucks, because I really did. I literally, First time I did it, I stuck my pick in there. I don't feel like I'm obviously in the wrong angle or some shit, you know. Let me do something a little bit more comfortable. How was I picking it before? Let's see. We want the shorter one. Let's do this one. Huh. There we go. Now I did, we'll call it bitch picking. And honestly, guys, you know, I know that I've been thinking about that a lot lately. I am kind of bitch picking. That's all right, though. Listen, because the sound of that's really cool. Yeah, I am bitch picking, you know. I still don't have, I mean, I got a little bit of skill, but ain't nobody yanking my chain. I ain't got shit for skill, you know, like a lot of you guys do. You know, I get in there, oh, look at that shit. I get in there, I know the mechanics, I know how it's supposed to be, I know what I'm supposed to do. Just doesn't really work all that well, you know. I don't know if maybe I'm just being too hard on myself. Probably am, because I am my own worst critic, that's for damn sure. You know, so that, I went in there, I knew what I was doing as far as, I know the mechanics of it. You know, I know you're supposed to go in there, find the binder, get the pin, set it, don't overset, you know, counter. I know all that shit, just like everybody else does. I think it's just the feel, you know. I just can't get the feel down. I'm a raking some bitch though tonight. So anyway, that's all it is. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, it's a subscribe button down there. Love y'all. Peace.